it's Natasha. Happy 4th of July weekend from the Farmstand fridge. Remember, we're just down the lane from the Farmstand, and right now I'll show you what we've got and give you some ideas for your holiday weekend cooking. So, super excited. We have red, white, and blue bouquets. Take a look at these beauties. There's delphinium, cosmos, yarrow, and something else in there I can't remember. They are beautiful, and if you're going somewhere for the weekend and you want to take a little hostess gift, I've only got 3 of them, so come get them early. And we're excited to start welcoming a few flowers dribbling in here and there. But look at those delphinium, aren't they just gorgeous? All right, so on to the veggies. We've got carrots. These are rainbow carrots. Not exactly rainbows, but rainbow shades of orange and yellow and white. Delicious. We've got kohlrabi here. Now, if you haven't tried kohlrabi, you really want to try it. It's amazing, and it's best if you just peel it, eat it raw. It's really delicious. I just cut some up and put it into pickle juice, leftover pickle juice. It was delicious, but you can also grate it. You can make it and add it into slaw. It is just delicious. So a really crispy, crunchy, refreshing snack for your holiday weekend. Put it on a tray with some carrots and some other veggies for a dip, and there you go. Nice healthy snack and very colorful too. All right, we've got Swiss chard down here. That Swiss chard is lovely to saute and add into a pasta dish or something like that. You can also cut it, and the stems are especially beautiful, so it makes a fun addition to a pasta salad. If you're making like a cold pasta salad, those rainbow stems are fun. They're crunchy. They're not really like a celery flavor, but they kind of give you that idea. So it's a fun thing to add into a salad. All right, down here we've got some snap peas. Now these snap peas are really yummy and really crunchy, and they're also fun colors. So we've got green, we've got yellow, we've got purple, and if you cook these, the water will turn blue from the purple peas. It's really fun, and it's really exciting when you watch it. So it's a fun activity. These would be great on a snack tray as well with dip. So if you're looking for something cool in this heat to serve as something that's a nice treat, put together a little veggie tray with some veggies from us. A reminder, we're 7 days a week now, 24 hours, so you can stop by anytime. And if you want to pay by credit card, we can definitely do that. We just ask you to send us your email and the total that you purchase, and we will send you an invoice. It's really easy. You can pay it online, super easy. All right, so we've got some peas, and the peas will probably not be with us for too much longer. They're kind of, waning a little bit. We've also got some kale in here, and the kale actually is this beautiful purple and Toscano kale, and that makes a great fresh salad as well. Did you know that kale actually will last better? So if you're making a salad, you could make a kale salad, you can make it the day before, and it will taste delicious the next day. So if you're looking to prep for your holiday weekend, you want to be outside playing in the sun and doing fun things, then this is a great way to go. Make a Caesar salad with the kale. It's delicious, and you can toss those croutons on at the last minute. So it's really pretty purple kale and Toscano kale in there. All right, so let's go to the other door and see what we have in there. So we've got some delicious beets that we've been harvesting lately, and they're just massive and beautiful and oh so wonderful. So I kind of kicked myself. I was grilling the other night, and yes, I'm impressed. I haven't really grilled a lot. I'm learning, but I'm doing it. So I thought, what would have been wonderful is to wrap these up in some aluminum foil and put them on the grill. And while my things were cooking on the grill, a couple hours or so, the beets would have been cooked. So I'm going to try that again and make some roasted beets that way, grilled beets, I guess. And when you cook them, then the skin falls right off. And so we've got white beets in here, red beets, pink beets, golden beets, all different colors of beets. And those greens are also just as delicious. So you can saute those greens and make like a creamed spinach sort of thing. Try making a creamed spinach and artichoke dip, but with the beet leaves. I think I might try that. I really love that dip. And of course, we're heading in the holiday weekend and making all that fun food to serve. All right, so we got turnips. Now, I would like to give a holiday special to everybody. So if you're coming by the farm stand, pick up a free bunch of Hakurei turnips to try on us. I want you to try them and let us know what you think about them. I think they're delicious. So pick up a free bunch of the Hakurei turnips this weekend through the 4th of July to try. So I want you to try them, see if you love them as much as I do. All right, moving down to the greens here. We've got lettuce and spinach mixed together. We've got arugula in the middle, and we've got spinach on the outside here. And I have just been making tons of salads. Basically every meal I get a salad. I keep it simple salad dressing. You can load it up. It just is so refreshing. So try to get in that habit of keeping a salad spinner full of washed greens in your fridge, and I guarantee you'll find it much easier to enjoy salad every day. Okay, my favorite, the best for last. We've got Napa cabbage. Now, I don't know about you, but I love me a good coleslaw for the holiday season. And, wait, holiday season, that sounds like Christmas. For the 4th of July weekend. And we love Napa cabbage for just that. So whether you make an Asian-inspired coleslaw, or a vinegar-based coleslaw, or a creamy coleslaw, try it with the Napa cabbage. You will not be disappointed. It is so good. It's more fluffy than regular cabbage, and it's just delicious. So we've got lots of heads of Napa cabbage. Also, we've got another favorite Asian green, and that is pak choi. So pak choi is a good one to toss in stir fry, put into a salad. Again, those crispy stems are gonna add just a little bit of texture in there, but you can cook everything from the greens down to the stems, and you can also eat it fresh. So pak choi will be the last week for that, as we are kind of getting through some different crops and moving on to others. So that is the farm stand fridge this week, you guys. And as always, we'll keep stocking and changing things, so be sure to tune in. But I hope I've given you some great cooking ideas and different inspiration for your holiday weekend. Just one more look at those beautiful bouquets. I think they're so gorgeous. They're so beautiful. All right, make sure you get one because I know they won't last long. Thanks guys for stopping by. Happy 4th of July.